we will study about properties of addition. The first property of addition is the order property of addition. According to this, changing the order of addends does not change the sum. This is known as the order property of addition. For example, if we add 2 plus 4, the answer will be 6, and if we reverse the numbers to 4 plus 2, again our answer will be 6. So, changing the order of the numbers will not change the sum. So, this property is known as the order property of addition. The next property is the grouping property of addition. According to this, while adding three numbers, either the first two or the last two numbers may be grouped. Grouping the addends in any manner does not change the sum. This property is called the grouping property of addition. For example, if three numbers are given to us to add, so whether we are adding first two numbers first, then we are adding the answer of that to the next number. So we are getting the answer 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 13. And if we change our grouping to the below numbers, firstly here we had add the first two numbers, then we have the answer of that we have add to the third number. But if we change the grouping to the below numbers, so firstly we have add the below numbers, that is 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we have add in that the first number, 8 plus 5 is 13. So if we change the grouping of property of addition, still our answer will be the same. So this property is known as the grouping property of addition. Now the next property is zero property of addition. According to this, the sum of any number and zero is the number itself. This is known as the zero property of addition. According to this property, if we adding 0 to any of the number, the answer will be the number itself. So now according to this, let us start our next exercise, self practice 3C. In this, our first question is, using the properties of addition, fill in the missing numbers. Now you have to use the properties of addition to fill the missing numbers. So in A1, our question is 6 plus 5 equals to 5 plus 6 will come according to the order property of addition. Now 3 plus 7, two numbers are written here, but here only one number is given, that is 3. So the next number we will write 7. C1, 39 plus 18 equals to 18 plus 39 according to the order property. Then again two numbers are given, 509, 2233, but here only one number is given. So the next number we will write, that is 2233. Now E1, 1645 plus 4036. Now 4036 is written here, but 1645 is missing, so we will write 1645 in the blank. Now F1 is 0 plus 1843 will be the number itself according to the zero property. So our answer will be 1843. If we adding 0 to any of the number, the answer will be the number itself. Again 8035 equals to 0 plus 8035. Then H1, 3 plus 6 plus 7 equals to 3 plus 6 plus, now three numbers are given but one number is missing here, so we will write the third number which is missing. So this is the grouping property of addition. In I1, 5014 plus 1873 plus 916 equals to 5014 is written here and 916 is also written, only the missing number is 1873. So we will write here 1873. Now J1, 34 plus 26 plus 105. Now here equals to 34 plus 26, two numbers are written here, but the third number 105 is missing, so our answer will be 105. So like this we will complete this question. Now question number 2 is, add down then add up. One has been done for you. Now they had given us three numbers. Firstly we have to add down, then we have to add up. One is already done here. A1, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, and here from firstly we have add down, now we will adding up. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. The answer will be same only. In B1 our question is 7 plus 8. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So in the column we will write 15. Now 15 plus 5 is 20. So our answer is 20. And if we start from the below, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 7 will be 20. So answer is same only. If we change the grouping also, then C1 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Here 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So whether we are changing the grouping also, then also our answer is remaining same. Now in D1, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. And if we start from below, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. So like this we will complete our this exercise. Hope our this exercise is completed now. Hope you understand.